What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on and turn off store mode in Hisense Vidaa smart TV. Now before we go into the video, it is important to note that store mode actually means that the TV is in the hands of a retailer. Now except you are a retailer, it is important to turn this off because it is actually energy consuming. So to turn on store mode, what you have to do is, first of all, you take your remote and go to the settings. So I'm just going to scroll up and then go to this settings icon here, click on it. Now I'm going to go all the way down to system. I'll click on system and then go to advanced settings, click on advanced settings, and then just go down until you see usage mode. Now it is in home, so if I click on it, I can change it to store mode. Now if I click on confirm, what it automatically does is that the TV turns as if it is in the store and it automatically starts showing preview of the kind of TV that it is. Now this is actually the store mode. Now for you to be able to remove your TV from the store mode, you just have to click on the menu button in the TV. In my case, this is the menu button, so I'll just click it and then it automatically shows me some menu bars here, so I can just go through all of the menus here, and then you can see the home mode. So once I click on home, now it automatically asks me if I want to disable store mode, and if I click on OK again, it confirms that. Now what you have to do here is also to read this policy, because the TV is assuming that you're now transferring the usage of the TV from a retailer to a consumer, that is a viewer. So you have to accept all of these policies. So you can just click on OK and it automatically selects all of the option here, and then click on agree. Now once you click on that, you can also change your inputs here. In my case, if I just click on this and then I can go back to TV, and voila, I've been able to change my TV from store mode to home mode. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.